Let's see an example where we are able to create a histogram or any other graph using Statcrunch. So the first step is to make sure all of your values are in a single column. So here I have a list of values, and these are just a bunch of quantitative values that measure the number of seconds it took 14 different students to text a message to their friend. And so after we do this, it's good practice to label this. So let's say seconds to text friend. And so now we have a label on all these values. Then to create the graph, you might just be able to look at the top and realize, oh, there is a heading that says graph. So we can click on that. And we'll see there are the 4 graphs that we learned about in Module 2. Histogram, stem and leaf, box plot, and dot plot. So for all of these, they're very similar. Let's just take a look at one of them, histogram. You'll see that the menu will pop up. There's a lot of options here, but the main thing is that we can select the column. And then at the very bottom of this, you see there's the option that says compute. Click that, and the graph will be created. And here's our histogram. Now, if you ever need to edit the options, you can click on Options, Edit, and you have the opportunity to do things. For example, instead of having the counts or frequencies, what if we wanted relative frequency? We can change that and do compute. And we see now that y-axis are written as relative frequencies. Another thing we can do is set the bins. So maybe I wanted each bin to be 3 seconds. Well, we'll start at possibly around 7, or it goes as low as 5. And we can say a bin width of 3. And now we can see each of these bins have a width of 3. Starts at 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 3 is 14, and so on. Let's just look at one other one. It's very similar. Maybe I want to create a dot plot. Just click on the dot plot. Click on seconds to text friend, since that's the name of the column. And then we'll do compute. And once again, it creates the dot plot for us. Really quickly, we can do the same with stem and leaf plot. Looks very similar. Just select the column. And lastly, we can do the same with a box plot.